Hey everyone, it's Akash here today, and today I want to talk about something that might seem simple, okay, but can be a real headache if you are not sure how to handle it. Yeah, and you got it right. So today we are going to talk about how to remove password on Windows 11 laptop. Trust me, I have been there and it took me a while to figure it out, so I thought I'd share a quick solution with you, okay, so that you won't get stuck in this particular problem for a long. So let's move on. So first things first, click on the start button. Okay, here you can type settings and click on enter. Okay, here what you need to do is on the left hand side, go to accounts, scroll down a little and click on sign in options. Okay, and then you land on this password option. Alternatively, I'll close this and show you another way. You can do and type password in the search. Okay, and it asks you to change your password. So this takes you directly to that particular point. I'll click on this and again we reach on the same page. Okay. So since you are here now, you see this option as password. You need to click on that and let's see what it shows. My password is already set. Okay. For this laptop. Now all I need to do is need to remove this password. So I'll click on change. So change it asks for your current password. I just need to type it. Okay. And once I type the password, just click on next. So here the trick is over here. Okay, you don't need to enter a new password. Okay, that basically will change your existing password. All you have to do is keep it blank. So that's the trick. All you have to do is keep it blank. So new password blank, confirm password in blank, and just click on next. Okay, and click on finish. So voila, that's all you have to do. And now your laptop password is being removed, and you don't need to a password to sign in now. So you have successfully removed the password or screen lock from your Windows 11 laptop. See, it was that simple, as we saw you. So I hope this quick tip helped you out. And if you maybe you found it useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.